Okay, so here's part C. We just wrote some pretty precise equations that tell us how the minute hand moves 360 degrees in 60 minutes.
Yeah.
And the hour hand moves 360 degrees in 60 times 12 minutes. And which one's faster?
The minute hand by a lot.
Okay. So how many degrees will the minute hand have gone in t minutes?
T minutes, well,
In t minutes, t for time, the minute hand goes how far?
well,
How many degrees does it go in t minutes?
well, if you cancel this out, this equals, it's 6 degrees per minute.
Okay, 6 degrees per minute. So how far does it, how many degrees does it go in t minutes?
Well, we have to do 6. Well, we could just add a t in on both sides.
Okay.
So 6 t degrees in t minutes.
Very good. So we just multiply by t. So for example, in 2 minutes, how far does it go?
It would be 12 degrees.
In 3 minutes, how far does it go?
18.
So in t minutes, it goes 360 divided by 60 times t degrees. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just multiply by t. This is really 6 degrees here, but I'm leaving it this way for a reason. How far does the hour hand go in t minutes?
Well, it's 360 over 60 times 12 times t.
Times t. 360 over 60 times 12 t. Now, and we're going to say these are equal to each other, except they're not really equal to each other the first time they get on top of each other. Which has moved farther when the first time they're on top of each other around 105?
Well, the minute hand.
Yeah.
How much farther has it gone? How many degrees farther has it gone when
Well,
they're equal to each other again?
I think 360.
How come?
Because once the hour hand is pointing toward the 1, it's gone. It's gone. The minute hand has gone 1 rotation around the clock.
Right, it's gone all the way around. Very good. So 360 over 60 times t equals 360 over 60 times 12t plus how many degrees?
But
This is the minute hand. The minute hand is equal to the hour hand plus how many degrees when they overlap again?
360.
360. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Do you? Okay. Now I can cancel a lot of the 360s, right?
Yeah, so this goes to 60.
T over 60.
Is
I'm gonna divide everything by
Okay.
360 equals t over 12 plus 1. Okay? And t is the time at which the hands overlap again.
But wouldn't there be a 60 here?
Oh, sorry. Thank you for noticing my sloppiness. T over 60 equals t over 60 times 12 plus 1, because all I did was cancel the 360s.
Yeah.
Okay. And I don't know if I can write down here or not, but can you go look and see if this is on the board? T over 60 minus t over
Yep,
60
you're okay.
over 12 equals 1. And now I'm just going to divide by t, just to stay on the board. 1 over 60 minus 1 over 60 times 12 equals 1 over t. All I did was move this one to the other side.
Yep.
And then divide everything by t. Now, the omega that Terry Tao wrote down is called the period for how long it takes to go around.
so omega would be t.
60 minutes to go around. 1 divided by 60. Minus 1 divided by 60 times 12. What takes 60 times 12 minutes to go around?
The hour hand.
And what time were we measuring here?
T time.
What time? What was special about the time we're measuring?
Well, it would be our symbol. It would be our symbol.
What happened at the time we're measuring here?
The minute hand and hour hand are on top of each
They're
other.
on top of each other. Okay, now let's solve this equation. Okay?
Yeah.